What's going on, everybody? Sorry, I'm driving right now to work, so hey, hands-free at least. But basically what I wanted to talk about today was how bullish I am, how excited I am. We are now in the month of October. I believe today is the 2nd of October, but it's the first working day of October. We survived September. And I have to say, man, as I've been saying for quite some time, I'm very bullish on this market. I'm bullish in general because I see the long term. I know what's about to happen, as I hope most of you do. The Bitcoin halving is in April. We have been in a bear market for a very long time. We're post 1 year of the Ethereum merge, and I see so many people selling their graphics cards. I see so many people, losing hope, I don't know if you want to call it faith, right, in crypto and stocks and everything in general. But you have to understand, we have so many catalysts coming. We have an election year coming. Now, is that going to help immediately? Probably not. But we just survived September. September is generally a terrible month, right? And I would say it wasn't a very good month at all. It wasn't the worst thing in the world, but it definitely wasn't good. I think October is going to be really good for us. November, I think, is going to be good as well. Now, December is a tough one. Let me tell you why December is a tough month. Because it's at the end of the year, and people sell. I'll try not to use too many acronyms or special terms. Basically, people tend to sell towards the end of the year because tax season is coming. So anything that you're on a loss for, let's say you're down $5,000 on Nvidia, but you're up $10,000 on Tesla, you'll just go ahead and dump Nvidia, so that way you can get the tax break or tax benefit, if you will, against that. So December is a tough one. But guess what's after December, guys? Since we're now in October, it should be obvious. It is January. Wow. Can you imagine when we start seeing the Bitcoin halving countdowns? Are you excited? Because if you're not excited, man, you're just living in this sadness. And hey, those kind of people, you know what? This video is not for you. But for the people that are looking at the long term, the Bitcoin halving will just be 4 months after that. We are almost to the new year. And then, like I said, the elections will go on. And I think it's going to be a great year come the end of 2024. And then 2025 is going to be absolutely insane. So prepare yourselves, man. Listen, as I've said many times on live streams, well, DJ, is what I'll get asked, what will you do if it goes down? I'll buy more. But what if it goes down even further than that? Then we buy more. And you have to understand, this is the difference. I mean, I've been in the market forever. Not forever, I wish it was forever. Since I was like 19, 20, something like that. I'm 34 now. I've seen so many of these cycles. Maybe not the crypto cycles as much. I've only been through 3 crypto cycles as a trader. But I'm telling you, well, 2 complete will finish this bear market, right? Whatever. The point is still the same. The ups and the downs, the emotions that you feel, that is rookie stuff. That's what Timmys think. That's how Timmys think is, oh my God, it just went down 5%. Oh my God, it just went up 5%, right? If you care about all these emotions and you look at these charts on a day-to-day basis, I'm telling you, you are not going to see the bigger picture. Now, do I tend to speak on if there's some crazy pump or something? Of course, right? Because I'm running a YouTube channel, I'm running a Twitter, I'm running my Discord. Check out those links, by the way. Link in the description below. Like this video if you don't mind. But yeah, I will talk about those because there's nothing else to talk about that's super exciting, if we're being honest. I will say the KS0 upgrade, my battery should be coming in today. Make sure you'll upgrade your battery, man. Don't use the same PSU that you had before. I don't know why I said battery. Don't use the same PSU that you had on your KS0. But I'm telling you, man, look at the bigger picture and what is happening around us. This doom and gloom, this misery, everything is going away. It's going to be replaced. You'll see. You'll understand either a year or 2 from now, worst case scenario. You'll see the bigger picture. Do you want to change your life? If you want to change your life, there's only one way to change. Well, I shouldn't say there's only one way. One of the ways to change your life is to get involved in the market. You have to understand, I believe it was Kevin O'Leary that really broke this down. There's 3 good days a year. Some years it's up to 5 days. That's it. 3 to 5 good days in the entire year. Think about that. And I'm not talking about green candles. I'm talking about if you were to look at a 12-month basis, okay, over 1 year, generally it's 3 to 5 days that you will get the most gains. If you don't hold, right? If you're not involved in the market, you'll miss that huge move on the way up. And you will wait. What a Timmy does is a Timmy sees it go up, then they start feeling good, then they start getting that optimism, and then they start buying. But they've already missed the big run-up. You have to understand, these run-ups aren't 3 months long. That's not where the money's made. It's that spike, real quick, just a few of them. You got to be in them. And the only way to be in them is to be in the market. Time in the market is better than timing the market. Very old saying, but it works, and it's true. Now, if you're a day trader, if you're worried about the day-to-day, totally understandable. You can make money. I think 90% of traders lose money, but I'm not saying that, hey, maybe you're that special one. You're such a genius. You're smarter than everybody else on earth, and you can consistently do that. Day trading, awesome, dude. That's not what I promote, because I know most people are Timmies, and I know most people don't have the time. Like, I don't have the time to do stuff like that, right? I don't have time to sit there for a couple hours and day trade, right? I got a full-time job. What are you focused on? You only have a few hours a day. There's 24 hours in one day. For me, I work 12 of those days, or 12 of those hours. So half the day's gone. Maybe for some of you, it's 8 hours, right? You got a little bit easier of a schedule. And then you got to sleep for 8. Do you understand that 2/3 of your life is gone? If you're working and you're sleeping, 2/3 of your life is gone, dude. So what are you going to do with those couple of hours? Are you going to try to, go on your lunch break and buy this and sell that? No. You buy, you do nothing, and then you sell it later in the bull run. Simple process. The more you trade, I can't speak for everyone. I'll say this. The more I trade, right? Buy, sell, the more taxes you'll get. Also, the more you have to mess it up, the more chances you have to mess it up. I'm telling you, buy, do nothing, rich as fuck. That's it. It's simple, it's common sense, it's easy. But most people mess it up because they look at it. They buy, then they check it. Oh my God, I'm down 3%. Oh my God, I'm down 7%. Oh my God, you see what I'm saying? You understand? And that's where they start FOMOing in or FOMOing out because, oh my God, I saw a news article and it said I had to do this. Oh my God, inflation's going crazy. Oh my God, right? You can get into this FUD. And then those same news outlets, what they're going to do when it's risk on, because we're in a risk off environment, they're going to turn on and everything's going to flip. And you're going to say, wait, I just sold my position. A couple months ago, you guys were saying that this was all the end of the world, that this is the worst recession in history, which it's not, by the way. It's not a good thing, but we're fine, right? We'll be fine. Don't worry about it. We recovered from everything else. We'll recover from this. Don't listen to the Timmies that try to FUD, that try to tell you that this shit is the end of the world. Because believe me, guys, it's not the end of the world. This is fine. We will be fine. Buy or mine or whatever works for you. Maybe you buy and you mine. My electric rate just got raised to 20 cents, which is awful. Or is like 19.5, right? Dog shit, right? Just terrible stuff, guys. Absolutely terrible. Very sad stuff, okay? Very sad stuff. So what did I do? Thankfully, I'd already been doing the month on, month off schedule for crypto mining, and I took that month off, or it happened to be just about 20 cents. So yeah, we got lucky in that. I'm very glad I didn't mine it all last month. So everybody, let me know if you're bullish, if you're bearish. Are you pessimistic? Are you an optimist? I am a perma bull. I am proud to be a bull, especially a perma bull, and I know what's going to happen. Long term, it's going to be pretty amazing. So I hope that all of you are doing okay, and let me know in the comment section below what you think. Peace out, boys.